guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Brizlani, aka Makeup by Brizzy, and we have fun here, so like, please keep on watching. Please. I'm not begging, I'm just, please. Today I'm doing this like natural glam kind of look thing that you could do every day, or if not, once in a while. I do this like maybe, oh, not every day, but like every other day. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope your new year is going by so good. Like, it's the new year, new me, as they say. I just wish for so many more success in this new year and just happiness for everybody in this world. And happiness is just a feeling that you get over time. Like, it's not something that you could always be happy, because there's always gonna be things you stress about. But just like completing your goals and like becoming successful, like that Ariana Grande song, I'm so successful, yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for being with me throughout 2018, and if you're new, then please experience my journey in 2019. Yeah. I'm smiling so hard. I don't know why I am, but I'm really happy. Thank you guys. I just love you guys so much. Let's just watch the video. Okay? Let's get into it. Alright, so first off, this thing is pissing me off. The heater, once again, always wants to turn on when I'm filming a video and I cannot control it because I live in an apartment. Thanks, super. Thanks. First, I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is literally the best ever since it became like mainstream in 2017, and it's 2019. I'm still using it. Fight me. Don't fight me. I'm not a confrontational person. I don't know why I said that. Feels so refreshing. I love it. So I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This little thingy right here, I stole it from my sister. Thank you. I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter in the shade Gingerbread 430N for this look. Or for every look that I do, because this is insane how it covers all my pimples. Now I'm using this Real Techniques 301 foundation brush and just blending it all out. Now I don't put foundation on my chin because I feel like my chin is one of my problem areas, and I don't want to get it too oily or too overpacked with like product, so I just like tap the excess off and put it on there. I do the same thing for my nose. And voila, look, no pimples. Where? Who? Dark spots? No, we don't, never heard of her. So now I'm going to apply some on my forehead. So now your homegirl is going to apply concealer, because we need to look like we've been sleeping at least for like, you know, 24 hours. So I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I always say Medium Honey, but no sis, not it. And I'm just applying that to my dark circles. I'm taking this Real Techniques sponge, and it's so dirty, sorry, and I forgot to wet it, of course, typical Brizlani. And I'm just gonna spray it with the Mario Badescu water. Boom, didn't even have to get out. I look decent, but I want to look great. So I'm taking the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sands, and I'm going to apply that a little bit to where most of my darkness is for my dark circles, and it's like right here, like right there, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Perfect. I'm going to set under my eyes and in the parts where I crease the most with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just taking the end of the bottom part of the sponge, which is like flat. Now I'm just dabbing it into my skin, and I'm not gonna brush it away. I don't know, I've been doing that technique a lot lately, and I really like how it turns out. So I'm going to apply it like right here where my nose is, and right here where my smile lines are. I apologize for the noise. I'm going to try to remove it with Final Cut, but I don't know. This video may be a mess. I'm a mess. I'm always a mess. 2019, I'm not gonna be a mess. I swear. I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna try to like be the best possible me as I can and try to achieve all of my goals this year. Because last year I achieved some goals, but not as much as I wanted to. So this is the year. This is gonna be my year. This is gonna be all of our years. So please like go for whatever you want to do and just work your hardest. Put your all into it, because if you don't, then it's a high chance that it's not gonna happen. So if you really want something, really go for it. Now I am going to bronze my face. I'm not gonna contour because it's like a natural glam, so I don't want to do too much, you know. So I'm taking the Anastasia this bronzer little palette. It's a powder bronzer in the shade Saddle, and this angled brush right here, and just taking some product and just apply it. And I really can't contour my nose for the death of me, so I'm just I'm just gonna like take some product. Whoa. Take some product and like swipe it right there. That's it. That's all I'm doing. And taking a little bit here and here, and just there. I'm a little bit bronze, a little bit cute, a little bit sweet. I'm gonna go back in with the Laura Mercier powder and just like put it onto the bottom of my cheekbones. Perfect. And like my eyes, I legit like leave them like that. Like I don't care for my eyes. Like they're good. They're fine. But if you have like a lot of like, if your veins show with your eyes, what I suggest to do is just like to take your concealer and just like blend here, because the excess of your concealer and all that stuff will get on it and it'll look cute. Look, see? Oily? Not oily. Now I have two options for you guys. I know some of you guys don't like to use eyelashes because it may be like a bit harder for you. So like keep on trying to do your eyelashes. Sometimes they come out a mess for me, but I keep on trying and you'll get the hang of it, I promise. So yeah. And so if you're just like a mascara gal and you just want a natural glam look, like I want to look like Snatch but cute, so I have the Better Than Sex mascara, the Too Faced one, but you can always use a drugstore one. This is the first time I'm using this, that's why I really want to use this for this video. But there's a bunch of good drugstore ones. I have this one, the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. It's just as good, I think. Let's see what this is all about. Alright. But the packaging is so cute. Look at it. It's like glitter and like little like. It's just so cute. Now I'm taking the mascara and just applying it. But yeah, my eyelashes are like legit so tiny and they're so flat, so you can't really see them. So what I like to do is I take my eyelash curler and I let it dry for a bit. stopped finally. Like right when I'm about to finish with the video, you stop. You're so mean. You're legit so mean. So I just take my eyelashes and I hold them in the same place for like a good like 6 seconds. And I let them go, and then boom, long eyelashes. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but compared to this eye, it's pretty long. And I keep doing that, and then I go like this. I pump it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then boom, long lashes. And then you add another coat if you want to. I will, because I'm extra. And boom. Now you're an eyelash queen. Look at this eye. Bruh. So yeah, this is the step I usually do before I put on my eyelashes anyway. I put on mascara just so when I use the eyelash curler on them, they can blend in together and it doesn't look like, you know, I'm wearing fake eyelashes. You're joking, right? Bro. Okay, so we're having a beauty mark for this video. Cute, right? Beauty mark. Great. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. So I put on the eyelashes, and as you can see, they look a bit dramatic, but these are like legit the like most natural eyelashes I have. Really, but eyelashes, like before like with the mascara, like I look good, but like with these, like this is what turns it into a glam look, because they don't look like super dramatic, but they look really good. So yeah, so now I'm gonna take some mascara and I'm gonna apply it to my lower lashes. Also, this mistake that I did there, it's gonna stay there. It looks like a birthmark and it looks really cute. So cute. It all comes back for a circle. So I'm taking the Mario Badescu facial spray and spraying my face with it to set my face. It smells so good. I'm taking this Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter and in this little rounded liner brush, and it's like a little flat brush, and I'm taking some product and putting it on the inner corner of my eye. Just to make it pop. And also I'm taking some and putting it on my eyebrow bone. Now I'm gonna take this fan brush and I'm taking the same concealer and just concealing. The same highlighter and just adding it on to my skin. Cute. I'm taking some and putting it on my nose too, because nose highlight is extremely, whoa, that was a lot. Nose highlight is extremely important. Now for the final last touches, my lips. For this natural look, I have the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss and just applying some on my lips. And this smells so good, I swear I always want to eat it. But yeah. Let me look at myself in the mirror, make sure I look good. Ooh, who are you? Like, this was not me like an hour ago. Like, I look like doo-doo. But, not even an hour ago, like 30 minutes ago. But this is it. I'm feeling myself now. Well, I'm about to go take so many pictures. But this is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me like glowing up, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look and try it out yourselves and look like a baddie. But you guys probably already are baddies, but you know, look like more baddies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope your new year is going by so good, and please give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe. Bye!